Hello, I'd like to tell you about a resource that will help you with this project. You're going to start on the Albemarle High School homepage, and then you're going to click on this button for Library. When you get to the Library homepage, you're going to scroll down until you see a button for Research. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to scroll until you get to General Research Databases, and the resource that we're going to use today is called ProQuest eLibrary. You're going to click on that. It will open ProQuest for you if you are in the school building. If you are off campus, you can put in the password is ACPSCHOOLS, and the password is welcome. The first thing you're going to want to do is click right here to log in with your Google Drive. You're going to ask to be connected, and you will do that. What this allows you to do is for all of the articles and information you find to be saved to your Google Drive, so you don't have to search for it again later, and you can just find it very easily. What I'm going to do is search for somebody that is on our list, just as you are going to. So I'm going to look for Sister Rosetta Tharpe, and I see that her name pops up right here, so I can just click on that. This takes us to a research guide about Rosetta Tharpe. And as you can see right here, it gives us a little bit of information. And if I click on this, it will tell us more about Rosetta Tharpe. She is a research topic. In this middle area, you will see that there's an overview. So if you clicked more, you would get an overview article of this person. Then down here, you'll see that there are 6 more articles about Rosetta Tharpe. So what I can do is click on one that seems interesting to me. So I'm just going to click on the first one, Gospel Legend Sister Rosetta Tharpe Could Rock on Guitar. So from here, you're going to read the article. If you would like the article in another language, you can click the Translate button, and that will allow you to translate into any of the languages listed here. Or you could listen to the article being read to you. So you're going to kind of skim through the article and read it and see if this would be helpful to this project. If it is, you can click Save to Cloud, and that will save it to your Google Drive. So as I said, it'll automatically go to your Google Drive. In order to get a citation for the article, so letting your teacher know where you've gotten your information, you're going to click this Cite button. This gives you the citation in MLA format, but your teacher wants APA format. So we are going to switch to APA. And now this is in the format that Mr. Davis would like to see. So all you have to do is copy and paste this into your research log. Now, Rosetta Tharpe had a research guide that kind of put all of the information together for her in one place. Other people might not have that. So I'm going to search a different person. I'm going to search Rebecca Lee Kumpler. And as you can see, there's no research guide for her, but you can see that there is information about her, and you can click on these articles and find information about this person. So even if there's not a research guide, there will be resources in eLibrary that will help you. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, please come to the library to see Ms. Thorson or Mrs. Bonazic, or you can email us at ahslibrary@k12albemarle.org. Thanks so much and have a good day.